Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to give you a tour of my living room. As you guys may or may not know, my daughter and I are living in a mobile home. It is a 16 by 80, 16 feet wide, 80 feet long. I have the back two bedrooms down that hallway and the bathroom. We share the living room and the kitchen. And then there's a laundry room too that's shared. And then my daughter has the master bedroom and master bathroom. So this is just an overview of the living room. Let's start over here on the right. There is a little adjustable table. I keep my purse on that, my cash envelopes and budget books. And then this is what I use to film with when I am filming cash envelope stuffing and budgeting videos. I clip my cell phone into this little thing. I attach this on all sorts of tables and things like that. Makes it easy to film. Will fit under a chair or a couch. Then I have my recliner, which Chewy is relaxing on. I have the flash on, so his eyes look kind of creepy, but he's in my chair. I have a blanket just in case I get cold and a pillow. This one rocks and reclines. And then next to my chair, I have this little end table that Carol Ann and I share, my daughter. Of course, I have my Coke Zero handy. The remote to the TV. This is a candle, which is really nice. It smells amazing. It's by American Farm Girl. It is Georgia peach scent. Smells delicious. Gotta have tissues. If you guys saw my bedroom tour, the lamp that is by my bed is the match to this. This is the standing lamp. We have a big window between us with some gray blackout curtains. The blinds are broken. Those need to be removed. We're just using command hooks and rods. And then we have my daughter's chair. Her chair does not rock, but it does recline. She said it's not very comfortable, so we will need to get her another chair. So maybe this one might go in my office. Do have some bird seed by the back door here. So this is one door. There's another door over by the master bedroom, but I've got some birdseed here, just easy to quick grab, go out the door and fill up the feeders. I have my shoes down here and this rubber tray that I got from Walmart to put my shoes on. There's a lot of sand and dirt outside, tracks in really easy. I have a command hook where I've got Chewy's leash, and on his leash I keep a flashlight, my mace, and a house key, so that if I ever were to accidentally lock myself out, I can get back in. Mace in case that huge German shepherd that likes to run around the neighborhood in case he tries to attack. I haven't seen him yet, which is good. I try to make sure I check outside before I let Chewy out, just to be sure we don't have any fighting. All right, over here we have this little side table. It's not plugged in, but it is a table and lamp. My daughter-in-law left that here. And then we have a really nice leather sleeper sofa. So it does pull out, I think, into a queen-size bed. So it is quite large. A couple of throw pillows my daughter found, I think, at Walmart. This is the coffee table. And my daughter found this little box and fake succulent at, I think, some kind of show that she went to. I can't think of what the name is, craft show, something like that. So that sits in the middle there. And then over beside the couch, we have the other table that's the match to the one in between our chairs. She got a bed for her cat, but the cat does not use the bed. So sometimes Chewy will jump up in there and lay down. This is a like an end of the bed kind of storage bench. This used to be my grandmother's, and my mom gave it to Carol Ann. So it is here in the living room for now. And then we do have some workout equipment, resistance bands, weights, yoga mat, exercise ball, all kinds of good stuff to use. And then there is another window. My daughter found that clock, I think at Target, maybe it was Walmart. We have a bookshelf here. My daughter, this is all her stuff, none of it is mine. She has tons of movies and books that she has collected over the years. She's a huge fan of Harry Potter, the Aragon series. What else is in here? Twilight. She's a huge movie buff, so lots of movies. A couple of puzzles. So that is the bookshelf, and then here is the TV and the entertainment center. So we do have our Wi-Fi down here. My daughter had a surround sound system. There is a DVD player down below. This TV we got, I think it was from Walmart. It's a 55-inch, I think. It's a TCL Roku TV. I love these things. They work really well. There is this cubby back behind that has a shelf and an old tape player. We just covered that up. We're not using it. And kind of in between the dining room, kitchen, and the living room is this little island. We keep some food for her kitty, a little succulent, and some surveillance video of the outdoors so we can tell when somebody is coming and going, which is really nice. And this little cabinet that has not been used yet. So do have water down there for the fur baby. So this is a tour of the living room. You guys would have already seen a tour of my bedroom and of my office. So I hope you have enjoyed this one as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.